In this video, I will show you how to create checkboxes in Microsoft Excel. First, you need to enable the Developer tab by right-clicking on the toolbar. Then, select Customize the ribbon. In the Customize the Ribbon section of the Excel Options window, check the box for Developer, and then click OK to confirm. Now, the Developer tab will be added to your toolbar. In the Developer tab, click Insert, select the checkbox icon, and then click where you want to place the checkbox. Now, you can customize the checkbox as you like. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below, or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.